delicious. Pineapple, banana, coconut sugar, some lettuce. That's it. And ice, of course, just to make it cooler and, you know, more tasty. For me. Coffee on the rocks. With a little bit of coconut sugar. And I guess there's some soy milk. That's good. It's really good. So this is some sort of kind of like a snack, I'd say. Okay. You gotta have something in life that you like, but it's less harmful thing. Because we as a human like harmful thing. That's our nature. You're not gonna change that. So my definition of it is like pick the one that is the less harmful you can find, and the one that you will be satisfied with, and I think you can have it. I know. No, not you. Look at this. Look at this outside of the window. Let's see, what time is it? 2 p.m. and it hasn't stopped raining since the morning. Check this out. This is our wagon on the rain. But it looks like this. So guys, I have a great news for you. We're gonna call it
Watching Day!
That's right! Isn't that exciting? Oh. What? Are you excited or not?
Travis, show your excitement! Like this,
Watch out! Yeah. Travis,
but not just...
slow it down. Okay, everyone.
Only just later, after Daddy says something.
What do you want to know?
Well,
You said you have to be quiet, so be quiet.
Yeah, we have a rainy day. I said it. I just wanted everybody to calm down because this is very exciting. So please stay like this for the rest of the day so I can watch.
just normal game.
What?
Because, well, not Angry Birds.
You pushing it, brother. You pushing it, brother.
Just normal games, but not
Okay, I'll think about it.
Think about it, but think about it for 1 minute.
Maya, are you still standing there? Okay, you are dismissed. You can go. Oh, that's a good trooper. Good soldier.
Think about it at 1 minute.
I'll think about it real quick. Oh my goodness.
Because your decision is...
My decision is to eat your booty.
Ow. That's not your decision. My decision is to play games, but not Angry Birds. Normal.
In the afternoon, it stopped raining. Kids are still watching. I don't know why it took me so long today. I've been here all day. I mean, all day, literally. Oh my schnitzel! It takes so much time. Think fast. Well, it's not raining at this moment, but the sky is like about to drop down again. So it turns out there's still a couple of things I need to. They need immediate attention online. So since it's so late and the whole day has been like kind of off the schedule, I'm gonna take a pass today and do one more extra workout during the Saturday or Sunday. So that's it for today. If you like, and subscribe if you like, and yeah, that's gonna be exciting. We're gonna see something. Yes, Monday is a scaling day.